Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before we going to start this tutorial, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest update of the video. So on this tutorial, I will be showing you to design a web page, how we will design a web page, how we are going to design a website. So everyone is go like wants to become a web page developer or want to become a website developer. So in every when some of the channel might show you like how to build a website within 15 minutes or within 10 minutes or within 5 minutes. So guys, like, you cannot build any website within this time period, like 15 minutes. Sure, I can guarantee you that you cannot build any website within 15 minutes. If you can build also, that also, like, you have to use any external website to build your own website. So it is not easy, it is not so simple enough to build a website within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. To build a website, you need a great foundation. You need to have a great foundation. You need to have a deep knowledge about an HTML, what is CSS, what is JavaScript, and so on and so forth. So you need to have, what I mean to say is that you need to have a deep knowledge about a scripting language. So what are those scripting languages? Scripting language include HTML, you can have in PHP, you can have in CSS, you can have in JavaScript, you can use Bootstrap, you can use JSON. So these are the scripting language. So with the help of the scripting language, you can design your own web page or website. Maybe it is static or a dynamic. So static means like it cannot change the real it cannot change the value of the website, but in dynamic you can change the value of the website. What I mean is that you can change your layout, your design. So with the help of this HTML or with the help of CSS, we are going to start this tutorial how we will or how we can build a web page or a website. So I will give you with a live example. I will start from the basic to the advanced level. Please do not miss my tutorial if you want to become a web page developer or website developer. But to become, you need and hard work and passion. So I am not suggesting you to spend your whole day, whole night to design any page or any site. You need at least 3 hours or 5 hours a time a day. Not you can have it. If you have more than that, that means surely I can guarantee you that you will become a professional website developer or any kind of a developer. So I will show you how, with the help of an HTML, how we can build this or how we can build any website or web page. You might be asking in social media or any kind of thing, like I want to design a web page similar look like an Facebook account, or it might be familiar or similar with an Instagram, or similar with an Amazon, or similar with an Flipkart. Everyone wants to design their own web page or own site. So I will show you the basic example, right from the basic to the advanced level. So today's in this tutorial I will show you how this HTML will work. So what is an HTML? So I will so everyone will feel that what are this HTML. So HTML. So what is HTML? It is an hypertext markup language. So this is an hypertext markup language. So you might be knowing that what is this hypertext and what is this markup. And hypertext is it means text within a text. That means I will show you with a live example. Let me go to Google. Let me have so if I start here, sorry, google.com. So let's start. Sorry, my net is quite slow today. So yeah, I have. So see, if I give here any image, suppose background image. So background image, I just simply search it. So let's have a look. It's quite slow, my net. Sorry. It's quite slow today. So when I click on this image, when I open a new link, so this means it gives a link from this image. It will create one link. So this is known as this hypertext. Markup language means it will contain the script and the document, and it will convert the text into a document file. So this is called a markup language. So in HTML we have this version. We have from version 1.1 till I think till date 5. So we will using with I will not use this old version HTML1. I will be giving you a live example of HTML with the help of HTML5. So and plus with that I will use the CSS. So CSS is a cascading style sheet. So CSS is mainly for the design purposes, that how this layout will come. Let's see. Let's have a look. If I go to any website, so if I only go website, suppose I will go to W3 school. So if I go to this one, it is an online web tutorial. So you can go through this also. You can have a look. So let's check out. So I mean, what is CSS? So you see from this portion, see, like when I click, see, like it appears something. So when I click in reference, means it appears all the stars and all. So these are the layout. So it can have a footer, it can have a header. So what is footer is all about? So this is a footer. So this layout, how we will going to design this layout with the help of this CSS. It's a cascading style sheet. So a CSS it includes with it have both internal and external. So we will deeply go in the next tutorial. As long as till now it's a basic, so I will be going using basic HTML. So let's have a look. So unit one text editor. So text editor means you can have a notepad, you can use notepad plus, or you can use an sublime text. So I will use a sublime text. I am much familiar in using a sublime text. So if you are familiar using a Notepad ++ or a Notepad, simple Notepad, so you can use it. So today on this tutorial I will give you a live example with an sublime text. So I will use a text editor with a sublime text. So let me open it. So let's have a look. Doc type. So why is this doc type? Doc type is mainly to tell the web browser which HTML version are you using, 4 or 5. So it will fetch to a web browser. So it will tell the web browser that this web page is of HTML 5 or 4. So it will tell about the browser to the web. It will tell the version of HTML to a web browser. So we need to have, if you want to build a web page, so we need to have this tag. This is all HTML tag. So tag, it will have one page. So inside this page, one page, then we have to include this HTML tag. And inside this HTML, it will define the whole pages as an HTML. So inside this tag, HTML tag, we need to have one tag called head. So this is forward slash is for closing the tag. So this one is all about this head tag. It's a metadata, means an information about the document or a page, means what information are you going to fit on your page. So this is all about an head tag. Then we have this tag one called title. So we need to close it. Why I open, why I close? Because when you will come to design your page, first and foremost, if you open one tag, better to close it. Otherwise it will make you, or it will create you a problem afterwards. So it's better for you to try right from now. If you open one tag, better to close it there and there itself only. So I will give my title name, my first web page. So this is about. Then we need to have one thing called body tag. So this body, it will include all the information what you are going to provide on your pages or on your website. So if you want to display image, you have to go to body tag, or if you want to display any video or any PDF or any file, you have to go inside a body tag. So for now, I will just use a simple tag just to show you the live example. So I use an head. So let me save this tag, and why Sublime is good for me. So let's have an HTML. So let's have this called page.html. So I will save it with a dot extension. You have to give this dot extension if you want to design a web page. .html. This is the extension name. So save it. Now I will go to H1C. It's an auto-generated text editor, so it's best for me. So I want to welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is about head one. Then let me have one paragraph. Please, I will say please subscribe. Comment, like, and share. So then let's save it. Let's have the output. How will it look like? So let's open it. So see, that means let me minimize to for the button. So this is a doc type. I have already tell you that it will tell the version of the HTML. So now we have the title. So this is the title. Now again we have this head one, welcome to my YouTube channel, paragraph. So this is it. It will give you the next paragraph. Then suppose what if I will use an H2. Let's check out H2, my channel name. For this one, let's run it. See, it will give you quite difference between H1 and H2. So it's the head tag. So now let's have this on paragraph. Let me use an H3. So this one, then we need to close it here, /H3. So, okay, now save it. Okay. So see, like it will give you a difference between H2, H3 and H1. So this is all about today's tutorial. So on the next tutorial I will show all those ID tags and what are those tags, what are those elements, and how we are going to import those CSS, external CSS. You will see on the latest tutorial. So if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, like, comment, and please don't forget